Yo guys, it's been a while since I posted a tutorial. If you're thinking what I was doing all these time,
how do I put it?
ये गाना स्पेशली मेरी वाली के लिए।
गाना किधर है?
बंदी किधर? टूटा हुआ साज हूँ मैं।
yeah, that settles it. So, today I'll give a tutorial on how to make namebox. You call it namebox, right? Namebox like script. So let's dive right into the tutorial. Okay, so first make the background blue or green, because it'll be more convenient. Then make a shape you want using vector drawing. I'm making a random shape. You may make your own or copy mine. Whatever shape you make sure to join it end to end, like this. Now add another vector drawing to make the top line. And keep it parallel to the box's sides. Now that you're done with the box and line, add stroke to the vector drawing layer and choose your color. And make the fill color transparent. If you don't know how to make it transparent, then go to palette icon and decrease the opacity to 0. Do the same process with second layer. Now it's time for the effects part. Add drawing progress and follow my settings. Next, we're adding glow. This isn't mandatory, so you can skip this if you don't want it. Time to add the text. Start by adding a short description to the box.
Why are you running?
Anyway, adjust the text so that it can be fit in the box without spilling out. Now for the text progress, use the same drawing progress from the shape or add another one, and set the scales you think will be perfect. Make sure that the last keyframe of the text should be before that of the vector drawing. Like the shape, you may add glow to text if you want to. Now you can export it. And now you're done. Hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.